Hello everyone, welcome back to Learning Point Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you some tricks to fastly calculate Pythagorean triplets. So before digging into the tricks, I'd like to tell you that any number greater than 2 is a part of Pythagorean triplets. Any number greater than 2 is a part of Pythagorean triplets. Okay. So, Pythagorean triplets are divided into two categories. The first category is all three are odd numbers. All three are odd numbers. And in the second category, 1 is an even number and the other two are odd numbers. Okay. So, in all three odd numbers category, we all know our first triplet is 3, 4 and 5. So this is our base triplet. We call it base triplet. Okay. Why do we call this base triplet? Because later we'll come across other triplets which are derived from this triplet. So what I mean is triplets of the form 3k, 4k, 5k. So one example of this will be 18, 24, 30. So if you take the highest common factor, that is 6 out of these three, you will see inside you are left with 3, 4 and 5. So this one is called derived triplet because this was derived from a base triplet. Okay, then this was the first all three odd number triplet 3, 4, 5. Next example will be 5, 12 and 13. So the trick to calculate the further triplets are, so you can see in these base triplets the pattern is the second number and the third number both are consecutive. That means the difference between them is always 1. So you can take the second number as x and the next number as x plus 1 and just add them. And if you do a square of those, you will get the first number. Okay, so if you take the example of 5, 12 and 13, it will be 12 plus 13. How much is that? That's 25. So when you do a square root of 25, you get 5. Okay, so this is how you can find the Pythagorean triplets for all three odd numbers. So this is the trick. Okay, so moving on to 1 even and 2 odd number triplets. So here the first one which we can take as the base triplet will be 8, 15, 17. So again you can see a pattern forming here, that is the second number and the third number there is a difference of 2. Okay, so if you take the second number as x and the third number as x plus 2 and if you sum them, okay, if you add them, and this time there's another important point to note, you have to just double them. Do twice of the sum and find the square root. So this will be equal to the first number. So this is the trick for one even number containing Pythagorean triplets. Okay, so let's look at some examples. If we take the triplet 10, 24, 26, okay, if we add these, we have 50. Okay, 24 plus 26 is 50, and if you just do twice, we'll get 100, and find the square root of it, that is 10. This proved. Okay, so I'll show you some examples in some questions. Okay, so let's take the first question. Is 1384 and 85 a Pythagorean triplet? So if you guys are now familiar with this trick, you can just pause the video and try it out, but I'll still solve it for you. So 84 plus 85, that's 169, and square root, as we all know of it, is 13. So solved in just matter of 3-4 seconds, right? Okay, next question. Is 28, 193 and 195 a triplet? Okay, so again you have to do the sum of 193 and 195, that will be 388. Okay, now you just have to do twice of it. Okay, so twice of it will be 776. Okay, and square root of 776 is never 28, right? As we know, 28 square is 784. So therefore it is not equal to 776, and triplet 28, 193, 195 is not Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so I'll tell you which is the Pythagorean triplet. It is 28, 195 and 197. Okay, so this is the Pythagorean triplet. So now you know the trick to calculate Pythagorean triplet, and so you can find triplets of any number now using this trick. So in my next video, I'll show you some geometry questions which are applications of these Pythagorean triplets and the tricks. And so if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe now, and also do not forget to click the bell icon to stay tuned to more such videos. And also, if you like this video, please do give the thumbs up and also share with your friends. Thank you.